Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you are working with a team or a client maybe, and need to give someone access to your Webflow site, this video will show you how to invite someone or a collaborator in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Look for webflow.com. So tap on the website, log in using your email address and password, then you will be able to see this dashboard. So it's time now to select our project, for example. So we select this one, then we're gonna go and tap on settings. As for now, after tapping settings as I just showed you, you should open the Collaborator section. Since we are in this general, we also have the site access, as you see. So they're gonna tell you to assign a specific role for each site, upgrade to growth or agency workspace plan. So you can also upgrade the workspace. After this, invite a collaborator by entering the email address of the person you want to invite. Then choose the permission level, select designer, editor, or even admin access depending on their role. Then send an invitation, tap on invite, and wait for them to accept. As for some pro tips, only give admin access if necessary to someone that you really trust. Editors can change design settings, and also you can remove collaborators at any time, don't worry about it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.